Have you ever wondered what makes an HSC professional effective and stand out from others? Well, it's not just about knowing the rules and regulations or wearing the right PPE correctly. It's about asking the right questions. In the HSC field, asking the right questions is the key to preventing accidents and injuries. It's how we identify hazards, assess risk, and develop effective solutions. So, today we are going to talk about the power of questions in the HSC field, or I should say, the power of asking the right questions. Hello everyone, I am Brijesh Kumar and welcome to my channel HSC Universe. We all know that asking questions is crucial in the HSC field. It's how we gather information, assess risks, and make informed decisions. But what if I told you that asking the right questions can make all the differences? The power of how questions. One of the most powerful types of questions that we can ask are how questions. Don't get me wrong, what and why questions are also important. What questions help us to identify issues and why help us to understand their causes. But how questions can help us to get to the root of the problem and develop more effective solutions. For example, if we see a worker using a tool unsafely, we can ask the question, what are you doing? Or why are you doing it that way? These questions will give us some information, but they would not tell us the whole story. In this scenario, a better question to ask would be, how can we use this tool safely? When you use the how questions, it forces the worker to think about the hazards involved and how to mitigate them. It would also open up a dialogue about potential solutions. How questions change the impression of an HSC professional. When HSC professionals use how questions, they demonstrate several positive qualities. Some of them are: number one, a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Number two, a willingness to listen to and consider the ideas of others. That's very important. When we listen to others, we get a lot of useful informations. Number three, a focus on solutions rather than problems. These positive qualities can make a very positive impression on management and other stakeholders. It shows that such HSC professionals are proactive and thoughtful, and they are committed to creating a safe and healthy workplace. In summary, asking questions is an essential skill for HSC professional. By asking the right questions, we can gather the information we need to identify and mitigate risk. We can also build relationship with others in the organization and demonstrate our commitment to continuous learning and improvement. So, next time, if you are faced with a safety challenge, don't be afraid to ask questions. And don't forget the power of how questions, where the real game starts. With this, Brijesh Kumar signing off. Be safe, be happy.